Good morning guys, today I am back with another detailing session. This is a post monsoon detailing session and there has been lot of comments in the section that the paint is looking dull. Yes, you are right, because during the monsoon this time Calcutta has faced torrential rain, not only for few spells. Throughout the last 15 days there has been so much of rain and the car has been subjected to heavy abuse. So you can see that the coating has faded to an extent, so I need to replenish it, and before replenishing this I will wash all the 4 tires. I have already done a tire cleaning session few days back, but still it is again dirty. So before I start, I will clean all the 4 tires, dust the car, and I will see whether there is any minor swell marks or scratches. Then I will go for a minor polishing or scratch removing session, and after that I will give a fresh extension coat to prolong this particular सेरामिक और ग्राफीन कोट्स. सो ऐसे ही आप सेरामिक और ग्राफीन कोट को कैसे एक्सटेंड करें, ये वीडियो ज़रूर देखिए. ये देखने के बाद आपको पता लग जाएगा कैसे आपका ग्राफीन और सेरामिक कोट को एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं. And another advice is don't go for a machine paint correction in a new car, because in a machine paint correction it chews away a little layer of your paint. So don't go for that until and unless it is absolutely necessary. To start your detailing job, make sure that there are no loose traces of dust in your car body, and for that Jopasu is the best possible duster, and I am using this for at least now it is 10 years. So invest in a good quality duster so that you can remove the dust without any scratches. So you can see the area is nearly dust free. And if you find that your body is too much soily or there is too much of dirt and grime, I will suggest you to go for a contactless wash with the help of a pressure washer or a garden hose. That is very important, because in those cases waterless or this type of wash will not do the job. अगर आपका गाड़ी में ज़्यादा धूल मैल और मिट्टी ये सब वगैरह है तो आप ज़रूर एक कॉन्टैक्टलेस वॉश के लिए जाए प्रेशर वॉशर के साथ, क्योंकि ऐसा डार्ट में आपको बिना प्रेशर वॉश के काम नहीं होगा. वाटरलेस टाइप ऑफ वॉशिंग में आपका स्क्रैचेस आ सकता है. नाउ माय फर्स्ट स्टेप विल बी टू वॉश ऑल द टायर्स. सो मैक्सिमम डार्ट एंड ग्राइम इज इन द लोअर पोजिशन ऑफ द कार. We have wet all the tires. Now I will apply some soap or detergent and then brush it off. Now with the help of tire brushes, I will scrub all the tires. Tire brush के जरिए हम जो टायर का वॉल्स है उसको थोड़ा स्क्रब करेंगे, क्योंकि टायर पॉलिश लगाना है एकदम क्लीन टायर्स में लगाना पड़ेगा. These tire brushes are very handy. Like this I will do to all the tires. उसके बाद after that I will go to the main body section. Now the bonnet area has got some signs of fading and there are some light swell marks. So if you find this type of situation, you can use a polishing compound, or in my earlier videos I have used Meguiar's polishing compound. This time I am using a turtle wax polishing compound. It is a little bit cheaper than the earlier product. So I will apply this. Take little quantities, otherwise it is bit difficult for you. Purpose is to remove the swirl marks from the body and bring back the original gloss. Rest of the body is fine, but this particular area has suffered a lot of abuse. Now with the help of a good microfiber towel, I will wipe it off. So you can see the shine is getting back. So this area I have restored back, and the rest of the area is more or less in good condition, so it's not required at this moment. Now I will wet the entire car. Since the car is ceramic coated or graphene coated, for a top coat, for an extension coat, you can use those products also, but I prefer this particular ceramic wet wax, which is not only do the job of wax protection, but it's also protected with ceramic. So this will extend your ceramic coating or graphene coating and give a very good shine and hydrophobic effect. To use this particular wax, you need to wet the entire car. So we will wet the entire car and then spread this particular wax and do a panel one by one. So let us first wet the entire car. You can see the coating is still somewhat intact. The water is easily repelling off. So coating is still fine in these areas. Only the bonnet area has suffered. For the protection and extension of my existing protection, why I choose the product, this is easy on and easy off. इसको यूज़ करना सबसे आसान है. सिर्फ स्प्रे कीजिए और पोंछ दीजिए. आपको ज़्यादा बफिंग करने का ज़रूरी नहीं है. शेक कर लीजिए पहले, और एक एक पैनल में 2 से 3, इससे ज़्यादा नहीं. यूज़ 2 sprays per panel. If you have a larger car, you can go for 3. If you have much larger, you can go for 4. Okay, now I will spread it. Such a way so no area is left. I have also brought a new set of microfiber cloth for this purpose, for final buffing. You can see the gloss, it has restored again, also the protection. Now I will move to the roof area. So I have completed the bonnet area, I have completed the roof area. Now let me complete the entire car and then I will show you what is the result. Add some tire polish to give the tires an added protection and shine. So gives a nice black look like this to all the 4 tires. All the black areas. It looks absolutely brilliant. Absolute mirror gloss has been restored and no more dullness is there. Absolute mirror gloss. The roofs, the side areas, we have taken care of the tires also. Added polish layers. So that is how the car looks. So if you find this video useful, please do subscribe, and if you have any comments regarding this protection enhancement procedure, feel free to contact me in the comment section below. Thank you very much and goodbye. Please stay tuned for our upcoming video.